how to place an accumulator parlay bet on bet365. An accumulator, also known as a parlay in some regions, allows you to combine multiple selections into one bet, increasing the potential payout. In order to place an accumulator bet on bet365, you want to simply open the bet365 app or go to the website and then make sure that you log into your account. Now you can simply navigate to the all sports section and simply choose a sport where you would like to place your bet right here. And once you choose the type of sport that you have, let's say, and then what you want to do is you can simply select the odds next to your chosen bet. Now you can select multiple odds. In this case, it doesn't have to be one specific odd. So when you select multiple bets and choose multiple odds, it will be automatically converted to a parlay bet. And once it is converted to a parlay bet, the selections will automatically be added to your bet slip. Then after that, you can simply show the options for a single bet or an accumulator, and then after that you can enter your stake and place your bet. This way you should be able to go ahead and then place an accumulator bet on bet365. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.